How to change the battery on a G-Shock watch. So the first thing we need to do is remove these 4 screws here. So get a small screwdriver and remove them. That's the last screw out. So remove the back panel here. There we go. There's a plastic cover now. Needs to come out. And that. Now you can see here that there's a tiny clip inside there that we need to release to get the battery out. Release this holder. So just get a very small screwdriver and you sort of push outwards the clip, lift it up. Like that. Now you can see how the clip looks like. Just hooks in, you're just pushing outwards to release it. Now to get the battery out. You can see there's a small space right there for a screwdriver. We can lift the battery out. That's the battery clear. So the battery size is a CR2016. So battery back in. So push down. So once you have the new battery in, you'll notice there's a remark at the back of the battery pack. It says, after battery replacement, contact AC with battery negative using tweezers. So we'll need to do that. So you got your AC there, and there's a contact there, but at the same time we need to be touching this. So what you need to do there, touch the contact, and then reset it by touching the negative, so anywhere down here, and connecting it. And that should do a hard reset. Let's just see if that worked. Battery, yes we do. So now we need to put the back on. Once we've confirmed that it's working properly, put the rubber seal and O-ring around so it's waterproof. Put this inner backing in. It only goes in one way. It'll match up with these tabs here on the end. It actually goes in there. As so. You put the back on. Put the 4 screws in and you're done.